Welcome to today's math lesson. In this lesson, we are going to be doing length of standard units. We are going to compare and measure length using standard units. We will also choose and use appropriate standard units to measure the length. For this lesson, you will need the words length, measure, centimeters, long, and short. Lacy length. Here is a 30 centimeter ruler. The distance between each number is 1 centimeter. We are going to learn how to measure using centimeters. We call this distance centimeter. When we measure with rulers, it is important that we begin measuring from 0 at the start of the scale. So whenever we measure something, we need to start here at the 0. So to make sure that our measurement is correct. Like this. We have a pencil over here. We need to put the tip of the pencil in line with the 0. This will give us an accurate measurement of how long our pencil is. We cannot put the pencil at the beginning of the ruler because we will get the wrong answer. Here are steps to help us learn how to measure. Step 1. Place the 0 centimeter mark on the ruler at one end of the object. So here we have our scissor and we are going to place our object at the 0 centimeters. Make sure you are using the centimeter side of the scale. Do not measure from the end of the ruler. So do not put the object right at the tip of the ruler. Our answer will be wrong that way. Step 2. To find the length of the object to the nearest centimeter, look at the nearest number it lands onto the ruler. So here we have placed the paper clip at the 0, and if we can see that the nearest number to which this paper clip the length of the paper clip is the number 6. So we can say that this paper clip is 6 centimeters long. We can also count the intervals after the whole centimeter to find the length of the object. So here we have every 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. We will also write down the length of the object in either centimeters or millimeters. For now, we will try to focus only on centimeters. Kara and George estimated the length of the shoelace. What does the word estimate mean? Can you remember what does the word estimate mean? If you said that the word estimate means to guess, amazing! You are correct. Well done. An estimate is a good guess. Can you estimate how long you think each shoelace will be? Look at the ruler at the bottom of the page to help you. So, let's look. You can quickly write down an estimate for each of these shoelaces. We can even label them A, B, and C. Now, you can estimate how long do you think shoelace A will be, how long do you think shoelace B will be, and how long do you think shoelace C will be. Let's measure. Here we have shoelace A. Remember, we have to put it at the tip of the thing. And if we look all the way to the end, the shoelace is 9 centimeters long. Now let's measure shoelace number B. Here we have put it at the 0 and we see all the way to the tip, it is 18 centimeters long because it ends at the number 18. And let's look at shoelace. See, how long do you think it will be? We have to start it at the 0 and we'll see it ends at the number 15. So we can say that shoelace C is 15 centimeters long. Okay, now you can see if your guesses were close to your estimate or not. You can use the ruler to measure how long each one was. We can also practice measuring the length of these doll shoes. Okay, so here we have one shoe. We're starting it at the 0. Where should we end it? At what number does the shoe end? If you've guessed that the first shoe is 9 centimeters long, amazing, because it ends here by the number 9. Let us look at the next shoe. Here we have a shoe. We start it at the 0. At what number does the shoe end? You can see it ends at the number 6. So we can say that this shoe is 6 centimeters long. Now let's look at the last shoe. Here we're starting it at the 0 and we go right till the last point of the shoe. What number do you think it ends at? We can see that it ends at the number 12. So our third shoe is 12 centimeters long. Let's try another one. Here we have the first shoe. We start it at the number 0 and look at the last point of the shoe. What number does it end at? Yes, it ends at the number 4. So this shoe is 4 centimeters long. Now let us look at this shoe. We also start it at the number 0 and measure it all the way. We can say that this shoe is 8 centimeters long. Now let us look at the last shoe. We also start it at the number 0 and look at the last point of the shoe. Now we can see that this shoe is 15 centimeters long. Amazing job! We have come to the end of today's lesson. You can practice measuring the lengths of different objects using your ruler around your house. You can even take a video to show your teacher. But for now, Assalamu alaikum.